Hello, my lovely students. How are you today? Good. So, are you ready to begin our lesson? Now, let's begin our lesson. Today, we continue Unit 1, Towns and Cities. Lesson, Writing a description of a town or a city, page 21. And Blue, Geography, Reading a map, page 22. Now, open your notebooks and your student books, please. Copy down the title, please. Now, have you finished? Good. Now, look at the picture and tell me where is it? Right. It's the picture of Ho Chi Minh City. Okay. Now, I give you some words. Now, do you remember the meaning of these words? Now, this is the picture of buildings. Okay. Now, this is the picture of an amusement park. Now, this is the picture of a zoo. And it's a shopping mall. Now the workers are working in the factory. Okay, so which words can you see from the test? A description of Ho Chi Minh City. Now you read the test in silence and tell me which words are in the test. Now you have 1 minute. Okay, now who can tell me which words can you see from the test? Buildings, amusement parks, and shopping malls. That's okay. Now, to help you remember the main content of this description, I'd like to give you one exercise. Now, complete the key phrases with the words from the test. Deriving of Ho Chi Minh City. Now you have 2 minutes to scan the test. Try to find the information from the test to complete the sentences. Now 2 minutes for you. Now have you finished? That's good. Now who can tell me the full sentence for number 1? That's right. It's in the south central of Vietnam. Now number 2. Yes, it's got a population of about 9 million. Now number 3. Excellent. It's very modern and the people are really friendly. And number 4. Okay, there are many good amusement parks, shopping malls, and buildings here. And the last one. Good. I sometimes visit Đà Lạt, Vũng Tàu for holidays, but Ho Chi Minh City is more interesting. Now copy down the full sentences in your notebook, please. Okay, now have you finished? Now, I'd like you to pay attention to the position of adjective in the text. You look at the phrases include. Now, when an adjective and a noun are together, the adjective is before or after the noun plus. Okay. Remember, when an adjective and a noun are together, the adjective is before the noun. Now, we use really, very, and quite before or after an adjective class. Okay. It's also before an adjective. Okay. Now circle in your student book, please. Now we come to exercise 4. Order the words to make sentences. I give you 2 sentences. Now you have 2 minutes to order the words to make good sentences. Now 2 minutes for you. Now have you finished? Now who can give me your sentence? That's good. Hội An town is an old town and it's got a population of about 152,160. That's correct. Now who can give me the answer for number 2? Excellent. Mr. Nam sometimes stays in Hanoi, but he lives in Ho Chi Minh City. Now copy down the correct answer, please. In these 2 sentences, we have and but. So who can tell me when do we use and when do we use but? Do you remember? Okay, we use and to join similar or opposite independent clauses in a compound sentence. Okay, we use and to join similar independent clauses in a compound sentence. And we use but to join. That's right, to join opposite independent clauses in a compound sentence. Now, take notes, please. Now, I'd like you to use the knowledge to write a paragraph. Now, we come to exercise 5. This is a guiding guide. Now, your task is write a description of a town or a city that you like for a website. Now, first, you must think and plan. Now, 1. Where is the town, the city? How big is it? How is the town and the city? How are the people? What are there in the town and the city? Are there any nice places for the town or the city? What do you think about the town or the city? And when you write, you remember to write only one paragraph. Here are some information for you. You can complete the sentences. Okay. Name the town or the city here and the place here. What has it got? How is it? And how are the people? What are there? Are there any nice places? And what sometimes you do? Okay. And you should use some structure here in your paragraph. There are position of adjectives, adverbs, position of adverbs, and you should use and but to make compound sentences. And you should use comparative forms. Okay, understand, Flash? Now you can write a passage about your town or city at home. Okay, now we come to real geography reading a map. So, do you know how to read a map? Yes, today you will know how to read a map. Okay, but now, first, I'd like you to look at the symbols. So do you understand the meaning of these symbols? Now, these are symbols of pot, hill, railway, forest, river, and road. Now, to help you understand the meaning of each symbol, I'd like you to do exercise 1. Now, match the symbol to the correct word. Now, 1 minute for you. Okay, now number 1, who can? That's right, river. And number 2, yes, it's the symbol of a road. And what about number 3? That's good. It's the symbol of a hill. And number 4, that's okay. Railway. And here, excellent, forest. And the last one, yes, it's the symbol of a pot. Okay, now to help you understand the content of a mouth,
Unit
we come
1,
to exercise 2.
CLIL, Geography.
Now, listen to the maps, and you will more understand about this maps, okay?
Exercise 2.
Maps. A map is a representation of a place. It's got a scale and a legend. A scale of 1 to 100,000 means that 1 centimetre on the map equals 100,000 centimetres or 1 kilometre in the place. There are some symbols in the legend. An area with green trees is a forest, and a blue line is a river. A black dotted line is a path. There is a small black triangle and a number for a hill. The number, for example, 112, means that the hill is 112 metres high. Red lines are roads, and a railway is a black line with smaller lines on it. A black circle on a railway is a train station. A red area is a city or town. Next to the red area is the name of the city.
Okay. If you want to understand the maps, first you must pay attention to the scale and the legend, okay? The scale here and the legend here. Now, to check your understanding, I'd like you to look at the maps and complete the sentences. Okay, you can choose the correct words to complete the sentences. Now you have 2 minutes. Now, that's enough for you. Now, who can give me the word for number 1? Give me your correct words. Okay, that's right. 1 to 50,000. Now, number 2. Yes, there are a lot of text on this map. And number 3. That's right. There's one here. And number 4. Excellent. It's a 156 meters high. And number 5. There's also a big town or a big road. Yes, road. And number 6. And a train station or city on the map. Yes, it's a train station. Now copy down the correct answer, please. Now we come to exercise 4. Look at parts of the right mouth of Banana Hills Mountain Resort and answer the questions. Now you see, you must pay attention to 6 places here. and 6 symbols here. Okay. Now, I give you 3 questions. How many car couple stations are there in the resort? 2. Can you find a restaurant in the Fantasy Park? Number 3. Which couple car line doesn't cross Mer River? Now you have 2 minutes to cover the mouth and then try to find the correct answers. Now 2 minutes for you. Okay, who can give me the answer for number 1? Yes, there are 4 couple car stations. Now what are they? Can you tell me? Yes, Schuymer Station, Bana Station, Dubai Station, and Marine Station. Very, very good. Now, can you find a restaurant in the Fantasy Park? Now, Fantasy Park here. Yes or no? Yes, we can. Okay, that's good. Now, which couple car line doesn't cross Mer River? Now, we have 2 couple car lines here and here. So, which couple car line doesn't cross Mer River? Now, Mer River here. Okay, the couple car from the base station and Marine Station doesn't cross Mer River. Okay, copy down the correct answer, please. Now, that's all for our lesson today. At home, I rely on of you review all grammar structures and new words of Unit 1. Then, you do exercises in the workbook page 16 and 17. And the last one, you remember to refer for your next lesson, Unit 2, pages 24, 25, and 26. Now it's time to say goodbye. And goodbye, students. See you next time.